Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me I do have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium 4x4. This one is in the classic silver metallic with the black Softex leatherette interior. Then coming to our wheels, riding on Bridgestone tires, and these are going to be our 17-inch alloy wheels with the painted black inserts, which do look very nice. You can see your mud flaps coming around back, black trim specific to your TRD off-road trim. And checking out our window sticker, as far as options go, we do have the rear sliding cargo deck, as well as the kinetic dynamic suspension system, the sunroof, as well as paint protection film, the 2-in-1 LED daytime running light and fog light, and phone charger for a total of $43,976. Gas mileage is going to be 17 city and 20 out on the highway. You also do have the rear backup camera, power sliding rear glass, and you do have your trailer hitch down below on your 4Runner models. Unlock twice to unlock all your doors. Then coming in, go ahead and stick your key in the ignition and we'll twist to start. This one does have 2 miles on it, so let's check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath your hood, we have a 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. It does have dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 270 horsepower and 278 foot-pounds of torque. This one is going through part-time four-wheel drive and a 5-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we do have that Softex premium leatherette interior with contrast red stitching, TRD embossed in your headrest right there. All your power adjustments down below with your power lumbar and your custom TRD off-road floor mats also. Door panels nice padded and stitched up top and down below in your armrest. All automatic windows, power locks, as well as your power mirrors over here. And you also do have your panel dim as well as your windshield wiper de-icer, AC outlet, and those custom DRLs right there. And then steering wheel, we do have a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with side bolstering grip extensions, audio as well as Bluetooth and voice commands, and cruise control on a separate stalk down here. Headlights, fog lights, and blinkers on this side, and then over on the right, we do have our variable intermittent speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Now coming to our head unit, checking out our audio sources. We have AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going home, a nice split screen view that you can customize in your settings. 2-panel or 3-panel, and you can click each area to customize. Going to your navigation, it is going to be a full head unit with your HD traffic. Going to destination, you can input an address, select point of interest, or designate 6 different presets down below, which is a nice feature. Right here, we do have our single zone manual climate controls, fan speed, zones, and temperature. Heated mirrors, of course. You do have your USB and auxiliary audio inputs with a 12-volt outlet. Various cup holders and storage. You also do have your 4-wheel drive controller right here. This is going to be your 5-speed automatic with sport mode and manual shift. And in reverse, of course, you do have your rear backup camera that does show up right here on your audio screen. Power sliding rear glass that is automatic. You can see that in your rearview mirror. It's a nice feature to have. And then, of course, down here, heated seats. Padded and stitched armrest with another 12-volt down in there. Glove box, nice and damp with all your owner's manuals. And then up top, auto dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extension. And then up top, garage home link, map lights, and all your off-road controls for terrain management, crawl control, locking differentials, traction control, all that kind of good stuff. And then we also do have our controls for our automatic power sliding sunroof. Go ahead and close that back. And so that's about it for the front. Let's go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming back here to the rear seat. As you can see, your Softex does carry through back here with your contrast red stitching. Door panels follow through as well with all your padding and stitching, automatic window and door storage. With the front seat set from a 5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room down below. Dual seat mount pockets as well as your AC vents and power outlets. Then over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders. Damped cornering handles and coat hooks up top with illumination. So give you a nice view of the dash right there. It does look very nice. And so let's check out the cargo area and then we can wrap up the video. Now coming around back, to activate your power rear glass, since this is a non-smart key model, just go ahead and stick your key in the hole right there. Twist and hold to the left or right to go up or down and lock and unlock your doors. Smart key models, you will have your up and down arrows that you can easily press. So go ahead and press the membrane underneath your 4Runner logo to open right up. As you can see, the abundance of room back here. We do have your 40-20-40 split folding rear seats, as well as your sliding rear cargo deck that can hold up to 440 pounds. Nice feature, of course. Loading heavier items, you don't have to strain yourself. You can just put them on the deck and slide them in. And then 2 power outlets over here, a house outlet and then your 12-volt outlet. So we'll go ahead and close up our hatch. We'll try to beat the rain, and that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium 4x4. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the models out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.